Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on OG Fan Token. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that recently OG Fan Token has broken out a falling wedge pattern. And this was the wedge that I was showing you. You can see that we broke it out, then we had a very powerful pump, and for a while the price and also broke out this quite long-term uptrend line support that was working as a resistance. You can see that previously it was working as a support here, and for several weeks it had been working as support here as well. And by the way, here we had another bounce from this support. And after the breakdown, the pricing got rejected by this uptrend line as a resistance here and as a resistance here as well. And also tested the support after this rejection, tested the support of this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after that, we had a nice bounce and broke out the resistance of this wedge. By the way, from this low to this high, within the next few weeks, you can see that it has pumped almost 546%. And now, while retesting the previous resistance, this uptrend line resistance as support and this long-term support of $7, the price then broke down these two support levels, and now it is moving down. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for OG Fan Token that I shared a few days ago on 15th of October 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for OG Fan Token that I shared a few days ago on 15th of October 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that OG Fan Token completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that this time the price line moved slightly down than this potential reversal on here. However, it covered back and read the sell targets on here. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that OG Fan Token formed on a 1-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And by the way, this was almost 13% pump. If I play this chart, then you can see that the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell targets on here. And before that, we caught almost 32% pump. And this move I shared on 13th of October 2024 with my members. And you can see when I shared this trade signal, it was completing the final leg of this harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern. And this was a complete trade signal, buying zone and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then dropped more down and just enter the buying zone here and here again. And then we had a nice pump, and this was almost 32% pump only on this 1-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of OG Fan, and here you can see that previously it broke out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and after that broke out another smaller falling wedge pattern as well. Then we had a very nice pump, but the price line got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from $14.32 and goes to $17. Previously, this resistance zone had been breaking at a resistance zone here, and we got rejection once again. And this time you can see that we have broken out another quite long-term falling wedge pattern. Since after the month of April 2023, it was moving inside this wedge, and after getting squeezed, finally we broke it out this wedge. But the price end is once again, it got rejected by this long-term resistance that starts from $14.32 and goes to $17. And after this rejection, it strongly moved down, and while retesting the previous uptrend line resistance as support and this quite long-term support of $7, the price end could not save these two support levels, and now we have broken it down. And now the next significant support zone will be here, that starts from $3.92 and goes to $3.50. Previously, it had been working at a very strong and long-term support zone for several months here, resistance on here, and supports on here. Therefore, again, it can break as a strong support. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, the price line did not hit that target so far. That is here at the top of the wedge, approximately somewhere between $17 to $20. And if the price line reaches there, then it can again make another powerful attempt to break out. this resistance zone that starts from $14 and goes to $17. And if the price and will be able to break it out, this complete resistance zone, then it will be flipped into a long-term support zone, like it happened here after the breakout. You can see that it was the previous resistance zone was flipped into a support zone, and then this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.